According to Zoroastrian religion, a person goes through various stages. One is infancy stage, when he is not aware of any of the religion at all. When he comes to the stage 1, which is when he becomes at the age of 7 or 8, he is being initiated in the religion and a Navjot ceremony is performed. I would like to explain what Navjot is. Nav means new, Jyoti means light. That means we are introducing new light to the religion, and the child takes the oath that he will be Mazdayasni, he will be Mazdayasni Zarathustri, and he will be following the religion of Zarathustra, which has been given to him by Ahura Mazda and which has been brought into the existence by him and spread amongst his followers. Once that is over, if the person is born in a priestly class, he has to go through certain ceremonies to become a priest. Firstly, he has to remain in seclusion for 30 days, where he has to have 2 nans of 10 days. When I say nan, is a sacred bath, where he remains in seclusion. He has to have, prayers 5 times a day. That is in the morning, afternoon, evening, night and midnight. So, 5 times a day, and even according to our custom, we offer machi, means sandalwood, to the fire 5 times a day. Now, when he becomes a priest, before he becomes a priest, he has again to go through 4 days ceremony. After completing 10 days, 2 nans, which is a sacred bath, 4 days ceremony is in the praise of Dada Hormazda. He goes through Mino Navar ceremony. It is known as Navar ceremony. Means new person, Nevar means new person who will be reciting the prayers and who will be performing the ceremonies. Once he goes through that, he has been ordained as Ervad. The next ceremony, which is he has to perform a ceremony again by taking 10 days nan, remain in seclusion for 10 days, and then he performs ceremony of Vandidad, which means Vandidad means Vi Devo Dat, means the law against the evil spirit. That is a big volume which he has to pray. The prayer starts at 12 in the night, ends at 7 in the morning. It is 7 hours prayers which he has to go through, and along with him there will be another person who will be leading him. After that, in case of people who are coming from the place which is known as Udvada, which is supposed to be it is like Rome for Christians. Udvada is supposed to be Rome for Zoroastrians. I come from that place, and before I enter the Iransha, where the holy fire which has been lit by our religious priest years ago has been still maintained, and if you have to offer sandalwood to that place, I have to go through a ceremony or an exam where all the priests who are there, they come together, they take your test. They ask you to pray certain excerpts from anywhere, and if you successfully pass that exam, then you are qualified to be the priest. As I said, the first stage is Nava, second stage first stage after Navar, I become an Ervad. Second stage, after performing Vandidat ceremony, I am considered to be, qualified to perform other regular Paumel ceremonies which are of the higher order. So, I become then Mobed, Ervad Mobed. Once I pass that exam, which is taken by all the priests, I become Samel, means I become one with all those priests. I am qualified with them to take the boy of Iransha, which is the biggest fire temple of our Udwada.